Transportation leaders say without state funding, there could be major cuts to the CTA, Metra, and to PACE.
And the public transit you currently ride could also go away. Darius Johnson live at Union Station to explain more for us as we learn more details about this, Darius.
Hey there, ladies. Good morning to you. You know, I've been outside Union Station, and I've even been talking to passengers this morning who have been asking me while I'm out, why am I out here? In the last minute, a guy walked by. I told him exactly what was going on, and he said, how will Chicago move if this happens? Now, again, this isn't just about fewer trains and buses. This is about a potential transportation collapse here in the city of Chicago. And officials warn without state action, CTA, Metra, and PACE will all face cuts. Now, officials say Illinois lags behind other states in transit funding, with federal COVID relief dollars running out. This $770 million budget hole is about to hit hard. Service cuts could shut down half of the L lines on the CTA, reduce service to over 50 stations, and cut more than 70 bus routes. When it comes to Metra, early morning and late evening trains would be eliminated, and with PACE, all weekend bus service would be eliminated and late night service would end on a total of 62 routes. Now, these aren't just possibilities. They are what transit officials say will happen without a funding solution.
If we're not successful in identifying that funding, then these kinds of service cuts and fare increases, these kinds of scenarios will be our reality in 2026.
Now, these three transit agencies say they will all begin planning for cuts as soon as this legislative session ends in May. If funding isn't secured by then, public hearings would then start in the fall, and the first wave of those service cuts could possibly happen in early 2026. Again, these officials are now urging the lawmakers there in Springfield to act now before this crisis becomes a reality. And again, those riders are all saying, how will Chicago move if this happens? We're live at Union Station this morning. I'm Darius Johnson. Ladies, back to you in studio.